Look what I just got. A Ninja Creami Swirl. I'm so excited. I need to unbox it and then clean it. I'm probably not gonna make anything right now because I'd have to make milk. Fortunately, I don't have any. But you know, that's how it is. It literally just came. Said FedEx dropped it off, and I'm like, let me go get it. Let me go get it. Hopefully they're not lying. You know, sometimes those places, they lie. Delivered and then it's not even there. Oops. We got the instructions. Drip tray. Accessories. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I've never had anything this nice before. I'm so excited. How do you even like, oh, how do you take this off? I'm so confused. Obviously, I've never used this before. Right, I understand that, but how do you get it out? Ugh. I have to look at the instructions. You know what? Maybe I look at a video, an unboxing video. That's probably better, to be honest. I don't know. I'm so confused. Why is this so hard? And when I figure it out, I'll probably be like, oh, that makes sense. Oh, wait a minute. No, but it still won't come out. Oh. Oh my gosh, I looked it up and I figured it out. That is crazy. So this thing slides in and then it is pushed like that. And then you press this unlock button to slide it down and you pull it out. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay, I got it out. Jeez. It says paddle installation. I don't know what the paddle is. Oh, that's it. That's in there. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's the blade that chops everything. And I suppose in here is the 2 containers. The 2 ice cream. You know what? Maybe I will make something. I have to make milk though. 1 container. I'll have to get more containers at a later date. Oh, here we go. 1 container. Oh my gosh. And the second container. I don't know what kind of milk I should make though. I don't know. I don't want to clean anything. That's the other issue. If I make milk in my nut milk maker, then I have to clean the nut milk maker. And I don't really want to clean anything else today. But if I make it, I can have ice cream tomorrow. Then use second to dispense. I don't know what that means. Oh, this is for this part, the swirl part. And that's it in that box. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, I'm so excited. So this goes, oh yeah, it goes in here? No. I'm confused. Oh, I think you take, no, I have no idea. I'm gonna have to watch another video, I'm confused. Because it looks like there's space for this, right? But this lid wouldn't fit on here. Oh, no, it does fit. Okay, and then this goes... No, doesn't fit. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out later. I don't know. I'm so excited to make ice cream.